Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. Today we're going to be trying out the Ryobi 2-in-1 pivoting fixed line and bladed head. Serrated blades for heavy weeds and thick grass. This can be used on the Ryobi 18-volt auto feed string trimmers. Here's a look at it. Line pivots for increased durability and longer life. Includes 4 blades and 4 line segments. So you can use these plastic serrated blades, or you can use the 0.065 string that I think that's what size it is. It even looks smaller than that. But yeah, they provided some pre-cut line. And here's a look at how you install it as far as the line goes. Here's a look how the blades are installed. So I thought we'd try this out today. I don't have a whole lot of weeds to cut, but I think I can get an idea how well this is going to work. So let me show you the head and what we're going to install it on. Alright, so yeah, you have to have the 18-volt auto feed line trimmer, and it should say, for example, it says no but required automatic line feed. It's lithium 18-volt, pretty common. I'm sure a lot of people have used these or maybe have one right now. You know, single line. This is the 0.065 line, and it's got these push-in little tabs, and you pull off the line spool cap here as well. Probably need to use 2 hands to do this. Alright, so be careful, there's probably going to be a spring. And here's a spool. Okay, they don't have a spring. Alright, so that's removed. Here's our new head we're going to put in place. I do have one serrated blade already on. I wanted to show you how to put one on and to take one off. So to put it on, I've got a little latch here that swivels. You can see the whole thing really. Alright, to put a blade on, I think they give you 4 blades. Yeah, 4 blades I believe. So this will be the bottom, like facing the ground. So you're going to want this right here facing the ground, that part of it. Just push it over, like that, till it bottoms out, and then just bring this over, snap it in. There we go, so that one's locked in place. Yeah, this one's locked in place. Let me show you how to remove it. So you just basically do it in reverse, just push it. Okay, and then remove it. Okay, so that's how it's done. There it is, ready to install. To install, you just put it on these tabs, snapping in place with the 2 holes that lock it down. So this is oblong, so it's going to look a little different than the round head. Let me show you before putting it on. Let me show you how to use the string. The advantage of the string is it's not stationary and just goes in one place. It's got this swivel effect too. I don't know how well that's going to be, but yeah, let's go ahead and try one of those. Not sure of the size. This actually looks smaller than the 0.065. May just be specially designed for this head. I'm not sure. You may have to, in other words, you may have to buy this exact size. But yeah, once with the blade is removed, just take this and push the two ends together, take them through. And good luck getting them to where they're flared out like that. So anyway, snap it in place. All right, we're good. All right, let's try the serrated blades first on the trimmer. And put that on. Yeah, like that. So this will be on the outside. That'll be on the outside. And just push it. Oh. Let's try that again. Okay, great. All right, ready to go. Let's go try it out. Next we try the swivel line. Well, I guess that's going to be it for the Ryobi 2-in-1 pivoting fixed line and bladed head. Wasn't really impressed at all with the fixed line, pivoting fixed line. It was basically just like a single line. As far as the bladed head, these blades I was impressed with. I was working around a rock garden, so these actually hit rock at high speed multiple times, and you can see they're still in very good condition, didn't break, and they do cut better than just a single line. So yeah, I was impressed, and we'll be using this. I'll probably go ahead and just make this my mainstay for this. I guess that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care. There it is again.